big story. As far as Delhi NCR's long-running stray dog crisis may finally see some decisive action. This is a landmark order that has been given by the Supreme Court yesterday that directed all stray dogs to be removed from public streets across Delhi NCR and to be moved to designated shelters, and this must be done within 8 weeks' time. Now, the top court further ruled that no stray dog should be released back on the streets, one house in a shelter. And the Supreme Court has now directed the civic bodies that the stray dogs be kept at shelters and not released on the streets, colonies, or even in any public places. It has instructed the Delhi government, the MCD and the NDMC to start picking up stray dogs from all localities. The court has also made its position clear and stated that the society must be free from stray dogs and young children must not fall prey to rabies at any cost, as it is a disease which has no cure. Now, it's stressed that this is not a matter of sentiment, but one of public interest and safety, where the Supreme Court also issued a stern warning that legal action would be taken against anyone who resists or obstructs the relocation of strays. Now, the top court, which was hearing a suo motu case initiated back on the 28th of July over stray dogs' bites, leading to rabies in the national capital, where many people have fallen prey to. Now, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta said that the stray dog menace has assumed gigantic proportions as far as when it comes to assurance that has been given from the Delhi government that they will soon come up with a policy and will implement the Supreme Court's order in a planned manner. Now, the Delhi Sarkar, which has also held a slew of meetings on this issue with Minister Kapil Mishra last week, saying that the government will come up with a humane policy as far as now when it comes to shifting of the stray dogs from the roads to shelters.
देखिए, ये बात सच है। दिल्ली की जनता वर्षों से इस विषय पे परेशान है और सरकार, पिछली सरकारों ने जो किया और नगर निगम में जिस तरीके से काम चल रहा था, हम उन सब के ऊपर लगातार हमारी सरकार बनने के बाद से इन विषयों पे चर्चा करते हुए इसके समाधानों पे वर्कआउट कर ही रहे थे। इसमें माननीय कोर्ट ने जो आदेश दिया है वो भी हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। हमारा एक ही ध्येय है, दिल्ली की जनता को राहत देना।
However, from the MCD sources, we are learning that there are only about 20 dog shelters currently in Delhi, where sterilization of dogs is currently taking place. They say that they may be unsure of how many dogs can be accommodated in the already present shelters there, and the sterilization when it comes to the activity that it could be carried out, because the dogs have been now ordered to remain in the shelters and they would not be put out right after the sterilization is concerned back to one there where they were picked up. So let's get a word from Sabyasachi now. Sabyasachi, yes, it's a menace, but it has left the nation divided. As far as the dog lovers or animal rights activists are concerned, well, the top court has asked the dogs to be shifted to shelters, but are there enough shelters to accommodate the stray dogs?
We have tried to get in touch with the MCD, and as per the MCD sources, only 20 dog shelters currently are in the national capital where sterilization of dogs is currently taking place. But the MCD sources say that it is unsure of how many dogs can be accommodated in those shelters. Now, this really raises a lot of concerns, because yesterday also we had seen that in the national capital, several hundred of the dog lovers protested and carried out a peaceful candle march in Kartavya Path. And across the country, there has been outrage after the decision that has come in from the Supreme Court, where people are continuously requesting the Apex Court to reconsider the decision. Meanwhile, the politics also has erupted in this matter as well.
All right. We've seen the kind of reactions and protests that has been taking place. Many of the animal rights activists, they are of the opinion that this is a matter of mass vaccination and sterilization, neutering of the dogs that can be carried out successfully. But they are of the opinion that there is a lack of political will that will be able to do that as far as now placing the dogs back from the area where they were picked up. But this is now said to be a direct order that is now coming from the Supreme Court that the stray dogs will stay put as far as in the animal shelters are concerned. Sabya, thank you very much for the update. Now, as far as a follow-up is concerned, right after the Supreme Court's order, the Rajasthan High Court has also directed municipal bodies to remove the stray dogs and other animals from city roads. as the High Court stated that municipal officials can take action against those who obstruct them. This includes filing of FIRs for obstructing public servants from performing their duties, and this development is now coming at a time right after the Supreme Court has delivered its order and ensuring that the people of Delhi NCR don't suffer. Now this development is coming from the Rajasthan High Court as well. So will the Delhi model now be applicable in Rajasthan? Because it seems to be the same directives that have now been issued by the Rajasthan High Court. It goes on to say that the removal of stray dogs and other animals from the city roads be done immediately as far as when it comes to the direction that is coming in from the High Court to the municipal bodies, that the officials given the liberty to act against obstructors. If there are anyone who obstructs their work, then their action can be taken against them as well. The High Court had stated that the municipal officials can take action against those who obstruct their work, include when it comes to filing of FIRs for obstructing public servants from performing their duties. लखबीर हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे, एक बार उनसे जवाब ले लेते हैं। लखबीर, जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट की तरफ से दिल्ली एनसीआर के लिए जो आदेश दिया गया है, जहां तक अगर स्ट्रे डॉग्स के बारे में बात की जाए, उन्हें हटाया जाए रास्तों में से, वही ऑर्डर देखते हुए फॉलो अप है जो राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट की तरफ से भी डायरेक्टिव आता हुआ नजर आ रहा है।
जी बिल्कुल, देखिए राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट की जोधपुर बेंच ने आवारा कुत्तों और जानवरों की जो बढ़ती समस्याएं हैं उस पर सुबह ध्यान लेते हुए अपने आदेश में नगर निगमों को कई महत्वपूर्ण निर्देश दिए, जिसमें कि कोर्ट ने कहा है कि नगर निगम शहर की सड़कों से आवारा जानवरों को हटाने के लिए विशेष अभियान चलाए, कुत्ता आश्रय और गौशालाओं की स्थिति पर विस्तृत रिपोर्ट प्रस्तुत करे, नागरिकों के लिए शिकायत दर्ज करने हेतु टेलीफोन ईमेल आईडी की घोषणा करे, और यदि कोई व्यक्ति नगर निगम के कर्मचारियों को इस कार्य में बाधा डाले तो उनके विरुद्ध FIR सहित उचित कार्रवाई करे। विशेष रूप से जोधपुर एम्स और जिला न्यायालय परिसर से आवारा जानवरों को प्राथमिकता के आधार पर हटाने, राष्ट्रीय और राज्य राजमार्ग प्राधिकरणों को हाईवे पर नियमित गश्त करने तथा और आम जनता से अपील की गई है।
Other animals as well to be removed from public streets. This is the order directive coming in from the Rajasthan High Court. लखबीर, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. Well, the nation is divided as far as the opinion now is concerned, because many of the animal dog, lovers as well have coming out to say that the mass sheltering of healthy vaccinated dogs is inhumane. But the Supreme Court is of the opinion, then can you get back those people who were affected by rabies being an incurable disease? Can they be brought back? No. With that, we head into a short break.